In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product.
Hello, I'm Kevin, and today I'll be talking about Ooni Pro here. It is an awesome and incredibly versatile pizza oven. You can fire it up with wood, charcoal or gas, and no matter which of these fuels you choose, Ooni Pro will give you the beautiful roaring flame and temperatures you need for perfect pizza, as well as bread, meat, fish and vegetable dishes. There are a lot of features to talk about and not a lot of time, so let's get going. First things first, Ooni Pro is fast and ready to start cooking in just 20 minutes. It reaches a super hot 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius, and that's twice the maximum temperature of a conventional kitchen oven, and hot enough to cook a 16-inch pizza in only 60 seconds. The oven has a thick layer of insulation around the body and these beautiful stone baking boards, which result in incredible heat retention. I've cooked continuously for more than 8 hours on Ooni Pro, and the last pizza is as good as the first. When you want to cook dishes other than pizza, you can use our cast iron pans for flame roasting or slow cooking large joints of meat, baked vegetables, or even fresh bread. Once you get your Ooni Pro, you realise just how many options there are, as well as how incredible food tastes when cooked at such high temperatures. The included essentials guide has delicious recipes for pizza and more. Making your own dough is simple with our classic dough recipe, and if you prefer, you can always use pre-made dough when cooking with Ooni Pro. The bottom line is, if you're a big fan of pizza and you've been making pizza in your kitchen oven, you really need to try pizza baked at super high temperatures on a stone floor. Ooni Pro has a wide opening and a large stone surface inside, so it's ideal for cooking larger dishes. It's also suitable for a range of cookware shapes and sizes, or even 2 items at once. You can easily fit 2 Ooni cast iron pans side by side with plenty of room to spare. When you open up your Ooni Pro box, you'll find the oven itself, the custom made stones and our heat resistant leather gloves. There are also 2 doors included in the box for you to choose from. The pizza door has a clever letterbox design so that you can easily add and remove your pizza. The door with thermometer has a glass pane for you to watch as your pizza cooks, and the thermometer will give you an ambient temperature reading. A 1-year warranty is included as standard, and you have the option to add another 2 years for free when you register your product at Ooni.com. Now let's look at some of the little details that make Ooni Pro so good at what it does. And we'll take a look at how Ooni Pro is able to reach such high temperatures so quickly. As you can see, the body is made from high-grade brushed stainless steel with wooden handles. There is a layer of insulation inside the body which holds in heat for consistent cooking. Here we have the high-quality corderite stone baking boards that fit together on the floor of the oven. These retain a lot of heat and give pizzas that authentic stone-baked base. The stones are very durable and able to withstand the high temperatures inside the oven. The chimney draws the flames and heat forward and right through the oven. It also has a quick release clip which makes it simple to pack up. Ooni Pro has 2 vents which add to its versatility: the chimney vent and the ceiling vent inside. For maximum draw and top temperatures, we like to keep both of these open, and this is a default position for cooking pizza because you want that roaring flame through the oven. If you want to make quick adjustments to the temperature, you can just close over the chimney vent. If you're a tinkerer like me, you can play around with the vents to suit your needs. One option is to set up your oven with the ceiling vent closed. This allows heat and smoke to billow around the front of the oven before it makes its way out of the side channels and up the open chimney. This is a really clever feature which allows you to cook at lower and slower temperatures. People will often ask how best to clean their Ooni Pro, and it is one of my favourite questions to answer because you don't. Ooni Pro is easy to look after thanks to the high temperatures it can reach. It's self-cleaning, so you worry less about cleaning up and spend more time nailing those perfect pizzas. If you want to, you can wipe down the inside with paper towels and use a bit of stainless steel cleaner on the outer shell. Ooni Pro is completely transportable, weighing 48.5 pounds or 22 kilos, which means you can store it away easily or take it on the go with you. When I take my Ooni Pro on the go, I like to remove the stones which make it really easy to carry. When you're setting up your Ooni Pro, the best surfaces to place it on are wooden picnic tables or tables with a stone, marble or stainless steel surface. You can treat it just like a barbecue. Once you're set up, lighting Ooni Pro is as simple as adding some charcoal or wood, or a combination of the two, to the fuel tray at the back. You can run Ooni Pro through a range of temperatures, from low and slow to the super high heat needed for pizza, and it's all done through fuel management. When you order an Ooni Pro, you'll be helping to plant trees through Ooni's partnership with Eden Projects and 1% for the Planet. If you have any questions about Ooni Pro, we'd love to hear from you, and we're always happy to talk about all things pizza.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.